Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a TinkerCAD account. The first step is to go to this website, tinkercad.com. Then you're going to want to click the Join Now button. TinkerCAD is going to direct you to this page. You'll have three options: in school, on your own, or sign in. We're going to be creating a personal account. Click on personal account, and then you can either choose to sign up with email, sign up with your Google email, or sign in with Apple. We prefer using the sign up with email option. Now, TinkerCAD is going to ask you what your country that you live in is, and then your birthday. So in this step, you can put your birthday, or you can have your parents input their birthday. So I'm going to create a random birthday. Then you're going to click Next. Now, you're going to want to create your account using an email and a password and clicking I agree to the TinkerCAD Terms and Services and the Autodesk privacy statement. These are also links that you can read if you want to. Once you've entered your email and your password, you're going to click Create Account. Now, you might also need to do some verification if you are a child, if you have inputted your birthday and not your parents' birthday. Your parents will have to help you with that step, and they'll be sent some codes which you will use to authorize your account. From there, you can click the sign in feature, and using that email and the password, you can sign in to your TinkerCAD homepage or dashboard. There, you can click on Create New Design to start designing in TinkerCAD. And there you have it. You've learned how to create an account in TinkerCAD. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating a TinkerCAD account. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.